Hi, today I will tell you when you export assets, scenes, gadgets, 3D Max to Unreal with DataSmith. So some problems, some issues, 3D Max materials, nodes, noise nodes, colorize, hue saturations, some 3D Studio Max nodes not export Unreal Engine with DataSmith. Problems create when file export DataSmith stop gadgets 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 selection visible. Okay, partially supported texture maps of type noise are not supported and the first children will be used. Some of problem. So this is a very easy solution. I will tell you. First, use select material editor. This map, noise map, is not supported Unreal with DataSmith. Just click and render map 2048, 2048, 2048, 2K, 4096, 4K, 1024, 1K textures. Might be used 2048 better. These files save desktop, gadgets, and noise texture. Noise, JPEG, save, save, OK, render. This one node is bump map. I'm just import noise map, desktop, gadgets, noise, noise map, bump. This one is delete. So yes, check another one, gadget, or just use bitmap files. Clear view, yes, yes, everything is fine. Just check file, export, gadgets, recheck, yes, okay. Bump maps are automatically converted to normal maps as Unreal Engine does not handle bump maps directly. It's okay, but yeah, partially problem solved. Some 3D noise textures on 3D no, hue saturation, colorize, or some 3D nodes don't support in Unreal Engine with DataSmith. So this is the easy and best solution how to use unsupported 3D Max textures in Unreal Engine with DataSmith. Thank you for watching.